Does that answer your question, Betty?
What a spot. It'll take a bigger brain than mine to figure an answer out to this one.
Leave us exit stage left.
You're fired!
Hey, that's a good idea. I'll do it.
Help! Jane, stop this crazy thing! Jetson! You're late!
Surely you couldn't have made a mistake. What's the matter?
Heavens to Murgatroyd.
Out, out, O-U-T.
Okay. I'm getting punchy from punching all these buttons.
But Yogi, the ranger isn't gonna like it.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
You're almost smarter than the average bear.
So long!
That's it. I'm glad I thought of it. That's better.
Uh-oh. Yikes!
Very good, Boo-Boo. Now what do we do for an encore?
Wake up, wake up, wake up!
Come on, wake up!
All right. What's going on around here?
We made it, Yogi.
Wilma!
Oh, no. I pressed the wrong button again.
Yabba-dabba-doo!
Yow! I'm smarter than the average bear. Youch!
I can cause accidents too.
I thought and hoped you could assist me.
Vouchers? We ain't got no vouchers. We don't need no vouchers. I don't have to show you any stinking vouchers.
Go ahead, bang on it.
I sincerely expect the greatest mutual benefit.
Just follow the yellow brick road.
Don't think we can do business along those lines.
Say goodbye, Toto.
Everything's clear now.
You're driving me crazy.
Are you in danger?
Either he's dead or my watch has stopped.
Gentlemen, I've decided to go back.
Isn't this too devastating? What do you think I am, a peep show?
What's that man doing in my drawers?
The stuff that dreams are made of.
I've had enough stimulation for one day.
You've got to convince me that you know what this is all about, that you aren't just fiddling around hoping it'll all come out right in the end.
Just a moment, fruitcake.
Goodbye, Mr. Chips.
I won't go back there.
Well, it's a good omen, don't you think? Why are you so good to me?
Well, here we are.
There's no place like home.
You'd better close your eyes, my child, for a moment in order to be better in tune with the infinite.
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
No, that'll be all. Just be sure to lock the door behind you on your way out. Good night.
We melted her.
Yes, just me and my memories.
What a dirty, filthy mind you got.
I must tell you what I know, but you won't tell me what you know.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
It was neatly done, sir. Indeed it was.
No getting rid of me, is there?
This won't do any good.
And now, on with the opera.
Pity this all has to end.
Modern methods, intensive training, poppycock.
This is a highly irregular procedure.
I shall watch your progress with interest.
I guess I'll have to ask you a lot more questions than I figured. Let's call it quits and pack up and leave.
Well, go ahead and read it.
Well, back to reality.
See you in Durango.
Supposing I wouldn't tell you anything about it at all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, so that's it.
That'd be very smart.
Where were we?
I won't do it, I tell you.
Get on with your work.
Thanks I get for working my fingers to the bone.